Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to do our scarf tutorial with these beauty new Love Pure Light.
Welcome lovelies. Well, I really seriously am blown out of the water by these new scarves.
They're beautiful.
They are exquisite.
Yeah.
Sydney, you've done an unbelievable job, really.
So
The
nice to have
colors
some
and-
fresh ones
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you a few ways on how to wear a scarf because we're always asked
Yeah,
how we are wearing a
yeah,
scarf.
and there's so many ways, ladies, but me and Lousje are pretty particular with our
Yeah,
scarf
we are.
ways.
We are.
Some of them are a little too old-fashioned for us.
The scarf should not be the centerpiece of the outfit. It should be an additional adornment. But
Accessory.
sometimes it becomes a whole contraption that, you know,
Yeah.
that is what the eye looks at, and it shouldn't be like that. That's our opinion, personal.
So also, as we mentioned yesterday, it is pre-order for these scarves. So they are not even out in the boutiques yet. So you can pre-order now and we will ship within 2 weeks when we get the items in. And we're gonna extend the 10% on today as well. So that is our gift to you. So if you love one of these scarves, grab it and pre-order it. So, okay, here is a beauty that I am going to use on Lousje. I'm going to style her up today with about 4 different ways that we wear our scarves. So I'm wearing
Okay.
our classic way, which we love.
Yeah.
So the way that we do this is, it's essentially a rectangle, the Love's Pure Light. Such a big amount of fabric, but ladies, it really just feels
comes
like
down to
nothing.
nothing,
It's the
yeah.
fabric too.
Yeah.
So then we take it to the point and then bring it into the middle here. And then we always start it on the back of her neck and then just keep loosely bringing it around. Like even, this is even a lovely, I love that look. And then you get all the frays, right? That's really pretty. And then what we do is we tuck so it's not so bulky.
You can squeeze it, right?
We squeeze it and
Yeah.
as you wear it, it's gonna like kind of, yeah, and then that's our way of doing it. And then you can play with how much ruffle you get. But see, it's beautiful. And we love something around our neck. It's cozy.
It feels nice. And
Feels
scarf
great.
weather is coming again. I can't wait.
It is. But I wear mine throughout the whole summer.
Yeah.
I grab it. There's always one in my purse.
Yeah.
Because when you go into a restaurant,
Yeah.
ladies, this is my favorite one to do. I'm going to strangle her. Now is my chance. No, I'm joking. Okay, so in the restaurant, I just take it the same way as we did the first one. And I put it around here. And then I just drape the fabric ever so lightly. So you have a little bit of a drape in the back here. Okay, and then I bring it around and then I tuck it. Now you can tie it as well, but I find that your arms are
Yeah,
just covered
nice.
enough for air conditioning.
And your
If
back?
you have sleeveless, right?
Yeah,
And
and
then
your back too, a little bit,
you're really, yeah, it's perfect. It just really stays.
Yeah.
And if not,
It always stays.
It always stays for us. I know a lot of women say, I don't know, how do you get it to stay? But it
It's the
really always
fabric, too.
stays. Yeah,
Because it's not silky, sliding fabric, you know?
no.
No.
But if you like, you can do a little knot here,
Sure.
and then you can just tie it around again.
Yeah.
And just tuck. That's all we do.
Yeah.
Is you just
Squeeze and tuck.
tuck it into each other. So there's a perfect way to just drape it over when you're sitting in
Feels
a restaurant.
great.
Doesn't it feel
Yeah,
great?
it feels great.
And I love that on a
And
sleeveless.
very secure, you know? Yeah.
And in the summer too, when you're so hot in the sun, and then you put this on your
True,
skin,
true.
it's like, it feels amazing.
Yeah, it's true.
It's very soothing.
You're doing a great job.
Am I?
Yes.
All right. Well, you get to measure me this week, so
Yeah.
I feel like tomorrow Lousje is going to measure me, so
Watch
I better
out.
be careful. I better be careful. Okay, here's another one, ladies, where you can fold the scarf in half and then fold it again and pick up the edge and just twirl it. So you get the ruffles there. Put it around the neck, give it a little twirl so sorry, they're not ruffles, they're fringes. Were you thinking that when I said it or no?
Yeah.
Did you catch on to that? And then you just tie them into each other. And then it's a nice little cowl with some fringes.
Great. Wow, you're outdoing yourself. You can tell, ladies, that this is Not what we do daily.
It's not
But
our forte.
We love to show you because we get questions all
We
the time.
honestly, this is all I do, and
Yes,
then
me
like I
too.
said, I just pull it back in a restaurant, and then you're all set. I have one more that I like
Wow.
as well, especially in the summer. Or if you have like a
love this one.
sleeveless dress that you want to jazz up for a wedding.
love this one.
I know, it's so
What
gorgeous.
is it all about? Oh my goodness. I
Sorry.
love the border.
I know.
Love the border. Oh my!
Isn't that gorgeous?
Tessa!
I know.
This is exquisite.
It's beautiful.
Oh, mamma mia.
It's beautiful.
I absolutely love it. Wow.
She's outdone herself.
She's outdone. Sydney, you did a bang-on job.
I think, what, 12 new?
12 new ones?
I think so.
Okay.
So ladies, I'm just tying the corners of these, and different scarves are gonna show.
Different, sure.
Yeah, so there's some of her scarves like landscapes or, you know, different paintings that she has. They might show better than this one because this one's portrait, and it'd probably be better with like a landscape. But so we can do this, put your arm through, and then you have like a kind of a caftany, beautiful drapey. So imagine being south. You could wear that.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't
On
that
a
pretty?
cruise ship,
Yeah.
when you go for dinner.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
gorgeous, hey?
You can wear something very simple like a tank dress, and you look like $1 million.
My Love Pure Light, it comes
It's a
with
piece
me
of art.
everywhere.
Yeah, mine
and,
too.
And when we're going south, I fold it in half. If I have my bathing suit on and the kids run up to me and say, I'm starving, and then I have to run to lunch with them,
To the
then I
hot dog,
just
to the hot dog stand.
at our all ladies, we still do all inclusives. We love them.
Yeah.
But look, you can just, if you have your bathing suit on,
Yeah.
there you go. It's your cover up. It's
Yeah.
it's just your,
Or you can do.
Or- yeah. Or we have another way.
We were in St. Martin once, the four of us, Tessa, me, and the kids. And it was an unbelievable windy day, and I was sitting at the beach, and my scarf blew in the ocean. Remember?
Oh my God, yes.
And I could just wave it goodbye because it was they sucked it back. The ocean sucked it back and never
Came
gave it
back.
back. It was. I still think about that one. That
That's-
was, yeah.
So here you go, ladies, and then you take the two ends and you bring it up around your neck. This is, you know, if you have a bathing suit on, you can wear this out too in the evening, right?
Totally.
I've worn
Beautiful.
it a lot when you're
Show
south.
the back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Love.
Yeah. So they're so versatile. They are, even though we carry a lot of other scarves that we love, I feel like these are kind of our
Yeah.
favorites.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, ladies. Well, that's our little tutorial there. We hope you enjoyed it. Please hit a thumbs up if you liked it. Maybe we'll get up on the YouTube roster of scarf tying tutorials.
Oh boy.
And
All
watch
right.
out tomorrow because Lousje is going to be measuring me up just to give a little lesson on measuring.
The
for
truth will
online
come out.
ordering. And then she's going to
Okay, lovely.
have an amazing day.
Keep
We'll
on
see you
smiling.
tomorrow.